I am Rick Gerard and I am a salesman for Wells Concrete. This is unique in that it's a totally agricultural building. It's a more custom building built to the owner's needs, and it was kind of a give and take process all the way along, working closely with the Fitzsimmonses and the Gorley family in coming up with a facility that was going to work for them. It's a total precast building. It's got some long span tees to it. It's an insulated wall panel project. It's a total precast with regards to the slats. Everything in the pit is all precast, pre-stressed. Every member of this facility is a pre-stressed member. So from that standpoint, it's unique to this industry. Along the process, I developed a 3D rendering which helped everyone to visualize the process, how it could go together, and how it would work for them.
My name is Paul Fitzsimmons. I'm the owner and partner in Protein Sources Management of Mapleton, Minnesota. So our goal was to build something that would not burn, not fall down under snow load, in a way that we could move animals and get people moved through the system very easily. Well, right now I'm standing in what we call the cupola in this facility, and it's the air intake. And with the facility being 240 feet wide, what we had to do was work with Wells Concrete on a design that would allow us to bring air in to ventilate the facility correctly. And this was the solution to that.
I am Fran Breiter. I'll be managing the sow farm once it's completed here. I'll oversee all the production and also be a part of tying that in with the research that'll also be a part of the facility. From a pig movement standpoint, it's a lot less steps for employees and pigs. You've got a shorter distance to travel, fewer corners, and all that plays a role when you're talking production. The design of the facility, we took into consideration not only the animal welfare, but also the safety of all the employees. To me, the most unique part of the facility is the 3,100 animals under the same roof.
I am Emily Weber, and I'm the Production Research Coordinator for Gorley Premium Pork. I really wanted to be in the barn and doing something that challenged me, and a barn like this, it's never been built before. There's not another one of its kind, and there's not a lot of sow research that's done in the United States that's released. Sow research is really difficult and can be really complicated, but since it's all under one roof, we can walk sows through our scale and into the farrowing rooms or out of the farrowing rooms and back to gestation through the scale without them having to go through a bunch of different hallways and it taking more time. So it's going to be very management friendly, but also it's going to be research friendly as well, because of the way it flows, it's not going to take a ton of extra time to do the things that we want to do. Now that it's all one main alleyway, you just can walk from one end to the other without ever leaving the building.
I've been involved in building quite a few hog barns. As you look around the massiveness of the structure itself, a lot of the innovations that are in here are going to work well as we move into the future of pork production. As president of the Minnesota Pork Board, I just see a lot of advantages for the pork industry as we look at this type of structure. The longevity and public view of the building, it's going to work well for the industry.